Hello everyone, welcome to CoderCast. Today in this video we're going to be showing you how to install Create React app and get it running and do your first Hello World inside of it. So to start with, I have VS Code opened up on the left hand side, and on the right hand side I have a Chrome browser opened up. And so in the VS Code terminal I'm going to run npx create react app and then hello world. The last part of this can be anything that you want, any application name that you'd want. I'm just going to call mine hello world. If I hit enter, what will happen is it's going to fetch all of the information it needs from the Create React app CLI, and then it's going to install a local Create React app application on my machine called Hello World. This may take a little bit because it's reaching out to npm and yarn and grabbing all the packages that it needs. And once that's done, you will have a local directory, in my case called Hello World, so I can cd into Hello World. And a little trick that you can use with VS Code, really awesome, if you do code-r and then dot in the directory that you're in, you can see that it will reload, and now my main root directory in VS Code is for Hello World. Another thing we're going to do is we're going to run this so we can use yarn start. And what that is going to do is, if we look in the package.json, it's going to run this script right here, which is React scripts start. Now, an awesome thing about Create React app is you don't have to worry about the Webpack bundling or anything like that. It's all done behind the scenes for you. You can use eject if you want to, and eject will get you out of that so you can actually modify the Babel config and all of that other stuff. But for this, we're not going to do that. We're just going to run yarn start. If I run that, and I refresh over here on the right hand side, you should see, after this starting the development service done, the Create React app boilerplate application that it shows you. And there it is right there. So how do we modify this? That's a good question. So if we go to the source directory, there is an app.js. This is where the app is actually, this is where all this content's coming from. We also have the index.js. This is where that app component is mounted. And we'll get into components later in another video. But this is just going through how to actually do Hello World in the Create React app. So if I go to app.js, I can basically remove everything inside in here and say Hello World, and then I don't even need this class anymore because it's not needed. I don't need this stuff anymore. And if I save, you'll see on the right hand side, it will go ahead and reload and we see Hello World. So there you have it. That is how you get Hello World working with Create React app.